Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, March 9th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the Dow had a fabulous day today. This is actually the first day we've seen in quite a while that the Dow really made progress. It gained 441 points today. Cut right through 25,000 and got very significantly, 25,300 and something above it on the close. So this was a great day for the Dow. We had a real good jobs report this morning. A lot more jobs created than was anticipated. That was driving it, and I think there was quite a bit of optimism about Trump's planned meeting with Kim Jong-un of North Korea. I just think that, there just was a lot of optimism in the market today, and it drove the Dow crazy, which is good, and I'm glad to see that. Unfortunately, whatever stocks are in the Dow that were moving today did not include the stocks we're trading, and we ended up with a pretty mediocre day, making under $2,000 today, and I can't really explain it. Any day the Dow moves positive over 400 points, and we're supposed to be buying, you would think we would show better than that, but we did not. So just chalk it up to experience. I just don't know why that happened today. Of the stocks we had coming in, we closed out positive $411. We got into 11 new positions. 8 were positive, only 3 negative. That's a good ratio, but none of these stocks really took off. And so we ended up carrying about $1,200 positive over the weekend and going into into Monday. That's pretty much small change, particularly consider this powerful move in the overall market. So, hey, just chalk it up to experience. I will show you a couple stocks that did fairly well today. This first one is Lite, L-I-T-E. That's Lumentum Holdings Incorporated. And we had bought this about the third hour yesterday, and it closed against us. It looked horrible on the close, but it really shot up this morning and closed, fairly close to the high there. And we're carrying positive $2,000 in Lumentum Holdings. And then finally, the best trade we had all day was in TGTX, which is TG Therapeutics Incorporated. And we bought that, again, about the third hour yesterday. It did close quite positive for us, and then it jumped up here nicely this morning, pulled back just a little before we got out, but still this looks like a real good exit point, and we closed out $3,700 in TG Therapeutics Incorporated. So that was a real good trade. We just needed a bunch of those like that, and we didn't get them. Anyway, I'm not unhappy. You guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back here on Monday.